Tired of daily scooping and lingering litter box odors around your home? Best Automatic Cat Litter Box on Amazon models can handle cleaning automatically, reduce mess, and improve odor control. Stay with us as we explore top-rated options that make cat care easier and more convenient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter Box is designed to simplify litter maintenance while prioritizing pet safety and convenience. Its spacious 95-liter litter chamber makes it an excellent choice for multi-cat households, giving cats plenty of room while reducing the frequency of litter changes. The built-in infrared motion sensors immediately stop the cleaning cycle whenever a cat approaches, providing peace of mind for pet owners. Through the dedicated mobile app, users can remotely schedule cleaning cycles, monitor litter usage, and receive notifications when the waste compartment requires attention. The 15-liter sealed waste container supports extended use, making it especially useful for busy families or travelers. Its leak-proof design helps prevent litter scatter and messes around the home, while the reusable washable liner reduces ongoing maintenance costs. Combining smart technology, generous capacity, and dependable safety features, this litter box offers a practical solution for modern cat owners. Number 2. Hazrela Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Hazrela Automatic Cat Litter Box combines convenience, cleanliness, and smart monitoring features in a user-friendly package. Designed with a spacious, open-top entrance, it comfortably accommodates multiple cats while providing easy access for daily use. The self-cleaning mechanism automatically removes waste after each visit, helping maintain a consistently fresh litter environment without constant scooping. A large sealed waste bin can hold up to 2 weeks of waste, making it ideal for busy households and frequent travelers. Smart app connectivity allows owners to monitor weight changes, litter box visits, and bathroom duration, offering useful insights into their cat's health and habits. The quiet motor operates with minimal noise, ensuring it does not disturb pets or family members. Washable components simplify maintenance, while the included deodorizing balm and sealed waste compartment help control odors effectively, keeping the home cleaner and more comfortable for everyone. Number 3. Meowant Cat Litter Box. The Meowant Cat Litter Box stands out with its extra-large 106-liter interior, making it a strong option for multi-cat households and cats of various sizes. Its open design provides ample space for movement, while the low entry opening helps senior, overweight, and short-legged cats access the litter box comfortably. Safety remains a major highlight, thanks to the integrated rotating structure and multiple sensors that detect movement, weight, and unusual activity to prevent accidents. The upgraded silicone liner reduces leakage and is designed for durability, easy cleaning, and long-term performance. Dual odor control technology combines a sealed waste compartment with deodorizing elements to keep unpleasant smells under control. Through the companion app, owners can monitor litter box usage, track weight changes, and manage cleaning schedules remotely. With automatic, manual, and timer cleaning modes, this litter box offers flexibility, convenience, and reliable daily performance. Number 4. Ellenpent Open-Top Automatic Litter Box. The Ellenpent Open-Top Automatic Litter Box offers a thoughtful balance of comfort, convenience, and cleanliness for both cats and their owners. Its open-top design provides a familiar and less intimidating environment, making it especially suitable for cats transitioning from traditional litter boxes. The automatic self-cleaning system eliminates the need for daily scooping by separating waste and storing it in a sealed compartment after each use. A large 9-liter waste bin can hold several days of waste, reducing maintenance requirements and making daily care much easier. Advanced odor control technology combines leak-resistant construction, a sealed cover, and deodorizing gel to help keep unwanted smells contained. Built-in infrared and weight sensors automatically pause operation whenever a cat enters the box, enhancing safety. Smart app integration allows owners to monitor usage patterns, receive maintenance alerts, and track litter box activity directly from their smartphone.
Number 5. UPFAS Automatic Cat Litter Box. The UPFAS Automatic Cat Litter Box is a practical choice for households with medium-sized cats and kittens that need a simple and efficient litter management system. Its compact design fits comfortably in most homes while still providing adequate space for everyday use. One of its most appealing features is the exceptionally quiet operation, producing less than 35 decibels of noise, which helps maintain a peaceful environment for both pets and owners. Smart app connectivity through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth allows users to monitor important health data, including weight changes, litter box visits, and usage frequency. The intuitive design makes routine maintenance easy with a fully washable drum that can be removed and cleaned quickly. Real-time tracking and detailed usage history provide additional insights into a cat's daily habits. Combining convenience, quiet performance, and straightforward maintenance, this litter box delivers reliable value for modern pet owners. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.